Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Brevo to WordPress. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the menu, select Integrations to view all available integration options. Next, find the WordPress integration and open its page. Download the Brevo WordPress plugin to your computer and save it in a location you can easily access during installation. After that, switch to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. Choose the Upload Plugin option at the top of the page and upload the Brevo plugin file you downloaded earlier. Once the upload is complete, click Install Now and then Activate. Note that you would need to have a business plan on WordPress in order to install plugins. After that's done, follow the setup instructions provided by the plugin to complete the connection. So that's basically how you can connect Brevo to WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.